para nag-serve siya para sa bagong movie film. So we're on our way inside Magari City Hall. We're on our way to Monso del Rosario to talk about the film. I don't have the details yet. We have to get it from Monso himself. And we'll see you there. So we're on our way. I'm with Mike Alertan from Don't Marayo. Or baliktad ata. So sa prank tayo!
Ilang saglit na lang ay magpapahinga. Ang pagreklamo ay huwag tigil.
Sir Debbie Cam, Frank, namumukha niya siya? He is in the action movies. He's always the Japanese bad guy. Ganon. So, yun.
Lagi ang kontrabida.
Oo. Pero everybody thought you were really a foreigner before.
Japanese.
Yeah. So, si Winsor is okay na?
Ay, okay na.
May kausap siya?
Wala yan.
We're here now. This is Winsor. This is his office. Winsor, this is Frank from UPDCS. And this is your fan, si Mike Alerta.
Ay. Na-pictorial na sa gym ko nung Tony.
Oo, na 100 something na pictures mo nakatag sa akin.
Siya kumuha ba? Hindi. May sarili kami.
Sina Sean?
Hindi, ang kumuha si Krusty.
Si Krusty.
Ang kumuha. Pero nandun siya. Kaibigan siya ni Lito eh.
Oo,
diba?
yeah. Lalabas ko sa...
Nagapuan ka, di ba? Taga-Pasay?
Parang niya ako, sir.
When was the last time you did anything in the
I did. My last movie was 2006, 2005. 2006 yata eh. Super Noivy.
Yes, with
Jan Prats, Sandara Par,
and the
Aubrey
Starstruck
Miles,
guys. Yeah.
yung mga sino yun? Marqueras. Well, I think it was Ronnie Ricketts na uno. I don't know kung anong
Hindi, mas...
nauna yung
uno. Mas matanda yung uno. Kasi I was still here. That was
okay,
like
so
2005.
yun ang last two movies ko eh. Super Noivy, saka yung uno. Yung huli yata. Yeah. Yeah.
So that would be...
Quarantine.
Matagal yun.
2006.
2006. The last time that we saw each other when I was doing a comeback and then you were doing a comeback in film also 2003. Operation Balikatan yun.
Yeah.
And then I did an interview with you with Manila Times. No?
Yeah.
Ngayon, ano yung kaibahan nitong Bagong Dugo sa Lumang Ugat that you did from... That's his latest movie with Joe M. Bascon.
Actually, paano ko sagutin mo? Tagalog o English?
Taglish, kasi we're going
Taglish.
international. It's
Okay.
online na.
Okay. Itong movie na to is the launching action film of Joe M. As a young action star.
Okay.
So, si Tatay Val, si Direk Val Iglesias, director ko yun before. He was one of my directors in some of my action films. He's a good friend of mine. He was also a fight choreographer, fight director in some of my action movies I did in the past. Nakiusap kung pwedeng tulungan nga si Joe M. So, I don't know the kid. So, you know, dahil sa friendship ko kay Val, sabi ko, sige, tulungan kita. And, sabi ko, sino ba mga kasama natin dyan? Sabi ko, siguraduhin mo lang, maganda yung role. You know, bida pa rin ang, ang ending ng role. So, kontra bida, basta mas pabor kong bida because, siyempre, I'm a public official, may image, tapos, I'm the Secretary General of the Philippine Taekwondo Association. And, I run my own Taekwondo school. I have my own training center. So, parang, and most of my films in the past have been always bida.
Yes.
So I asked him, kahit, may na role o mahabang role, basta gawin mo yung good guy na role o bida role. So pumayag siya, tapos sabi niya, kasama natin si Roy Vinson, si Efren Reyes Jr., si Dick Israel, si Alma Concepcion, si Alvin Anson, si Levi Ignacio. Tapos introducing dito yung anak ni Levi, si Ian Ignacio, na estudyante ko rin sa Taekwondo. So sila ni Joe ay magbabakbakan dyan. Sila nila magbubakan dyan. He's my black belt. So I said, oh sige, let's do it. Medyo masaya ang grupo eh, kasi andun mga veteranong, you know, that guys I used to work with, you know, a lot of my action movies. So I said, let's shoot it. So sabi niya, you know, alam ko naman indie film na parang I think they're planning to make it mainstream. But I know
ba siya sa cinema nila?
I know the budget is not, you know, like the budgets we used to have when I was shooting, you know, a lot of action films. So, because we know naman the constraints of production nowadays, you know, due to what. So, I said, oh sige, let's do it. Sabi ko, you know, I'm willing to help. I met Joel. He's like a nice guy. Apparently, his cousins in Bacolod are friends of mine. One of them is a mayor now, si Tinto Pascon. Tinto Pascon is the mayor of Ginamay.
Actually, when I saw his movie on the poster that I'm tagged in, I was tagged in Facebook. It has 100 and something likes. And then I reposted it. Sabi ko, pamilyar yung mukha, but the name?
Yun na nga, natawa nga ako sa'yo na nag-text ka sa akin. Eh, siyempre, hindi mo hinirasyon. Hindi ko rin hinirasyon. Pero ako kilala ko sila dahil trabaho ko.
Yeah, but it's the same like, iba kasi kayo nun eh. When you say Musur del Rosario, we already have a face to the name.
Kasi na-establish na.
Even Dante Varona who's older than you guys, di ba? Pag sinabing ba Dante Varona, nasa na kaya yun? Pero you still know who Dante is, no? Eh ngayon, pag sinabi mong Joe M. Pascon, Mon Confiado nga, sasabihin nila, sino yun? And then when they see Mon Confiado, ay, siya pala yun.
Tatandaan ko. Well, he's a new face. He's done quite a lot of films, but it's his first movie na he's the lead star. So, you know, we're just helping him out lang. Nice kid, nice guy. Nice guy. So, hopefully, you know, the movie will do well.
Under
and
what
sana
production?
masundan. You know, I'm not so sure. It's 3J's production or something. Si Levi, alam ni Levi yun eh. Mas active si Levi eh. Mas involved siya sa film eh.
Oh, I mean, you know, I should have done my lessons. Kasi I saw your poster. It's not there as well. So, ang nakalagay doon, ang sabi lang niya, yes, soundtrack din done by Wolfgang. Sabi lang.
Wolfgang nga.
Si Basti Target. It doesn't seem, there. 3J's Film and Entertainment Production.
Yun, 3J's.
It's this one.
Kala ko 3J's pala. Ito yung 3J's, kung yun sa cellphone yun, di ba?
Yeah, there's Munsur. Very imposing pa rin si Munsur. Okay, so, how did you feel when you got that?
Medyo, I miss it, you know. Medyo excited ako. You know, I miss doing action movies, being in the set.
Yes.
I miss doing good scenes. In the beginning, parang I was a little, medyo,
No, don't answer this.
medyo nananapa ako kasi parang, siyempre, medyo kalawang. I said, maybe I won't, I was medyo not afraid naman, but I was a little nervous because I haven't acted in a long time. I haven't done fight scenes or gunfights or stunts in a long time. So, I was saying, I wonder if I can still do it. And funny because there was a gunfight scene.
You did a gunfight scene?
Yeah, and si Mark Hill and Ernie Reyes saying
Efren Reyes
pala, Ernie Reyes. So siya, Efren Reyes Jr. Sabi, kaya mo pa yan? Yung pinapagawa ni Direk? Ay, hindi mo na kaya yan. Matanda ka na, gano'n. Yung nag-alaskahan sa set. Tingnan ko nga. Sabi ko, Direk, anong gagawin ko? Dito, labas, putok, pak, luhod, pak, gulong, Pagulong, putukan ulit, takbo, talon, change magazine, lingon, takbo ulit, pabalik. Tuloy-tuloy yan. One take, kaya mo yan. Naku, tagal mo na walang pelikula. Tingnan natin kung kaya mo. Dami nanonood. So, yun, nagkayayaan ng pustahan. Punta, no? 100 piso. Tingnan natin kung kaya ni Musul take one yan. Ayun, sabi nila, ready ka na? Ready na. Run through ulit, ha? Ito. Andun yung mga staff ko nanonood. Tapos andun si Levi, nandun doon. Tapos ready, camera, rolling, takbo, fire, bang, gulo, change magazine, tayo, talon. One take, palakpakan na, natulad na sila Mark Hill, tsaka sila.
One take ka?
One take, sabi na. Sabi direct, take one. Pwede pa. So, napalakpakan na. So, yun, that was good.
Okay.
And then, there was a heavy scene na parang drama, na parang umiyak ako. Doon medyo ako nahirapan. But after the second time, siyempre kasi pinatay yung best friend ko na po kasi na parang may nagwawala ako, di ko siya na-save. Tapos, yung anak niya, ako nagpalaki kay Joem. Inampun ko si Joem. Tinago ko siya sa mga sindikatong pumatay sa tatay niya.
Right.
So, medyo dramatic. Although, sabi ni Direk Val, according to him, maganda may interview mo siya. Sabi niya, nag-mature ka na, tumatagos na yung acting mo sa camera.
Actually,
sabi niya, nararamdaman na namin, ang lakas na ng dating. Sabi niya, sabi niya, mas magaling ka ngayon kaysa noon.
and then nag-organic na yung ranas mo. Anything that you had in your life, it's organically coming out nang natural siya. Pero your last movie that I saw yung Operation Balikatan, When Eagles Fly ba?
When Eagles Strike.
Yun, When Eagles Strike. Sino ka na sumisigaw? Sipain mo na! Yung ganon. Meron ka na nun. Pero it's so foreign. Yung organic acting mo is so foreign. Tapos nahalo ka sa mga kanon, di ba? Parang hello, hindi Pilipino to. Parang ganon, di ba? So no, it's different now. And if the director says it is, I think, yeah.
Sabi ni Boy Roque, tsaka ni Val,
Hello, buhay ba si Boy Roque?
siya yung assistant director.
Oh my God!
Ano siya, kasama siya sa movie na yan. Siya yung assistant director. Sabi niya, I've shared kultura, parang mas magaling ka ngayon, dami magugulat sa'yo sa acting mo dito. Sabi ko, binubola niyo, hindi, may monitor tapos may feedback. Sabi ko, basta action drama, na nafe-feel ko talaga.
I hope you get from
I don't know. I'm not after that. I'm just after, parang wala tong my fans kasi kipasin. Ba't wala ka ng pelikula? Pag hindi na ka na namin mapapanood. Sabi ko puro love story na, love triangle. Yun na yung kwento. Hindi magpagay sa akin yun. So sabi ko, pag nagkaroon ng action na offer, na magandang role, sabi ko, okay mag-alala, tsak tatanggapin ko yan, mapapanood din naman ako sa silver screen. So may eksena na, kasi I have a little white hair na, medyo mature na yung look, yung buhok. Tapos may eksena na flashback 10 years ago or 15 years ago yata, maliit pa si Joem.
Okay.
So deny namin yung buhok, chinelback namin. Tapos ang bata, may eksena ko si Joem. Gulat si Direk Val, sumunod yan, ang bata ng mukha. Ano ginawa niya? Wala, makeup. Tapos winash ko ulit, balik na sa matanda, yung present na, medyo puti-puti na yung buhok. Kasi sabi ko, paday ko, hindi, sa movie, huwag mo i-dye. Kasi may flashback ka, saka natin i-dye.
Yeah.
So, gulat si Val na parang galing.
So what is your role here?
I'm the best friend of the dad of Joem here, si Efren Reyes Jr., who is a judicial Supreme Court judge or
Justice,
something like that. Basta is a justice of the Supreme Court, or basta is a judge of a big case.
Okay.
And Joem is a boy here during the time when I was bodyguarding his dad. I was the right hand man of his dad, his bodyguard, his best friend. And there's a scene, he asked me to go back to the office. He's forgot his cell phone, so I ran back to the office upstairs. By the time I get back down in the city hall, when he was on his way out, the assassins came and they shot him. And when I got down, the gunfight was starting na, and I was trying to save him. So I don't get to save him. He dies. The assassin gets away, which is the group of Mark Hill. Joem is a boy, and nangako ako sa kay Efren, I will take care of his son. Hide him from the people who killed him. They might end up killing the son. The son grows up, ako nagpalaki sa bata, I'm trying to shield him away from the life that I have or the life that the father had. But gusto niya talagang lumante sa mga taong pumatay sa daddy niya at hanapin kung sino sila. Doon ngayon nag-revolve ang buhay ni Joem, ang action sa buhay ni Joem. Yun.
Parang it's familiar with City Hunter. City Hunter, silinin mo. Kaya alam, iniba lang nila yung
Parang ganun ang tapos dumating na rin si Levi, andun na si Ian, andun na sila.
Kontrabida na naman ang lolo ko.
Lagi naman kontrabida yan. Si Alvin Anson, dumating na sila Dick Israel, si Dick Israel. Ayaw ko na kwento, pero yung twist sa ending ang napaka...
Don't make kwento so that people is gonna
grabe yung twist ng ending. Yung ending, doon ako nagulat. Parang, Parang, wow. Ayaw ko sabihin, pero hype yung ending. Talagang ibang klase.
Wag kasi
parang mixture siya ng The Godfather and parang isang movie na panood ko na parang similar ang case.
That's why they set it out for mainstream in theaters kasi kasi ito sa Sinimalaya. Because it's one of the finalists in Sinimalaya. Kasi it's very promising.
Ganda. The way Val shot it, ang ganda.
Right.
Saka yung cameraman namin, yung crew namin, yung lighting, ang galing. Mga bata lahat
Oo, parang ganito ang edad, right?
ganyan edad. Ang gaganda ng mga idea nila. Very creative.
Not only that, the directors now. You should see the directors.
Natutuwa ako. Sa fight scene, kami na ni Val nag-choreograph ng fight. Tapos may mga stuntman, tatanungin ko kung paano siya upakan, Tapos ewan ko yung fight scene nila Ian sa ni Joem. Nandun naman si Levi, kakarate champion naman yan. Alam naman niya kung anong fight. Sila na nag-choreograph. Pero yung sa akin, yung fight scene, yung gunfight, ako na yan, tsaka si Val. So, mapapanood ulit ako ng mga fan. Sayang lang, I won't be here during the premiere night.
When is
I
it?
won't be here also during the press con.
When is the press?
Premiere, the press con is on May 18. May 18 or 19 is the press con.
Okay,
The showing nationwide is May 28. The premiere night is I think May 25. Or 25 yata. Or 26.
Okay.
I won't be here lang. Sayang lang, I won't be here. So I told the guys, feedback na lang kung anong sinasabi ng mga tao sa sinihan, anong feedback sa movie. Kasi syempre, matagal na ako din napanood. Anong feedback sa mga scenes ko, kung ano ba nagustuhan nila, ano bang mga comment nila, syempre.
Okay.
Para alam ko, the next movie, what to do.
Okay, I'll if it's premiere night. Frank, what are you doing? Anyway, going back to Monsieur Del Rosario, so, bakit ang title niya is Bagong
Dugo.
Bagong Dugo sa Lumang Ugat?
Actually, yan ang original title, may kasamang sa Lumang Ugat. But since medyo mahaba, they cut down the title and made it ang Bagong Dugo na lang.
Okay.
Siguro what Val was trying to say, a message he was trying to say to the public, here comes the new blood. Okay? Joem Pascod, young guy, in his 20s. New blood, new action hero, new star, blah blah blah. Sa Lumang Ugat, from the guys like us, the guys like Val, like us, sa Lumang Ugat, sa
ganda
new blood, but comes from the generation of us action stars. So, parang, he's one of us, but he's new blood. Parang ganun. Siguro, that's what he was trying to say. Siguro parang, ang bagong dugo. Tinanggal na nila yung Lumang Ugat. Kasi parang porno ang dating yata eh. Hindi naman.
No naman.
Hindi naman. Basta, ang bagong dugo. So parang new blood. Here's the new action hero. Here's for this generation.
Yes.
Parang, for the guys in their 20s, this is your star. Okay? During my time, in my generation, when I was in my 30s, or I was in my late 20s, I am their hero. in my generation, in the
Yes,
movies.
yes,
So
yes.
let's see. Hopefully, the guys in their 20s will adhere and will accept Joem as an action hero in the movies. We'll
Yes,
see. We don't know.
yes.
We're helping him lang.
Okay,
We're helping him and we're helping the director.
Yes.
And all these mga veterano are there in the movie helping him. So, it's a sign because we need to bring back the Pinoy macho genre. Nawala, namatay.
Oo.
Dumaming mga, no offense sa mga kabaklaan, pero dumami ang mga federasyon ng mga bading sa Pilipinas dahil sa mga paisiganda at mga kung ano-ano pa. Ayan, no? Yun na yung ina-idol ng mga kabataan. Wow! Gusto ko sumayaw, kumanta, magpatawa, puruga. Wala na yung...
Wala na.
Buti na si Mike, marunong kuma-idol ng tamang tao eh.
Yes. But, and then, ano yun, yung, totoo yung sinabi mo, Mon, we have to get it back. We have to bring back that, we have to bring back that time that guys are our heroes, they're masculine.
Yes! The last one is Robin. In our generation.
Robin Padilla.
He's the last one.
I
Siya
don't
na lang
know.
natitira dyan na buhay pa sa industriya.
Actually,
Wala na. Kami lahat, wala na.
Alright.
I'm doing a comeback now. I mean, it's not my priority. I miss it. I live that life. I miss that. I miss hanging out with those crazy guys in the set. I miss doing the scenes. But I'm focused in another career now. Here.
he's
Okay?
now the Makati
So-
councilor of
So I'm focused here. Although I do miss that,
Makati City Government.
I still want to do that. I want to do action films. I still want to do those kinds of movies. It's like I can never leave Taekwondo. I'm the Secretary General of the PTA. I'm a 6th degree black belt, Cookie 1 black belt. I've been teaching for 25 years.
You're also a 5th dan black belt.
6.
6th dan already?
Yeah, in Taekwondo.
Okay.
And
Sorry, 6th dan. I'm so sorry.
And what do you call this? It's my life. As much as possible, for as long as I can still contribute, I will still be there. But it's not my priority. But I do miss it. I still do that. I still have my gym. Si Mike nga, nakapunta sa gym ko. Nag-pictorial kami. Dami nga nagulat eh. Sumisipa pa ang Munsur. Wala pa akong isayo noon ha. Yung mukha ni Donnie Geiser, pinahahagingan ko pa ng turning long roundhouse eh. So, may front kick pa ako. Pwede pa ako. Bigyan mo ko ng time mag-ensayo ng isang buwan. Kaya ko mga jumping turning side na yan. Mga cut turning long. Kaya ko pa gawin yun. Kaso wala na akong isayo. Araw-araw, nandito ako sa opisina. Paano ka naman kukondisyon? Nakaupo ka dito. Kung sino-sino kausap mo. Lalabas ka.
Yeah.
So, but it's part of my life. The same thing as movies, action movies that I've worked on. Maybe I've done over 65 films. I do miss it. I still want to do that.
Right.
But I'm not anymore na, kailangan bida ako. Hindi ako gagawa ng pelikula kung hindi ako bida. Kailangan ako star. Wala na yan. Tapos na ako dyan. I have nothing to prove. Na-prove ko na yan eh. Parang now I'm just giving back. Okay, who needs my help, I will help. Basta give me a good role. Okay, I'm not anymore na, puta, kailangan 1 million ako per picture. Pag hindi ko tatanggapin. Tapos na ako dyan.
Yes.
Naanan ko na yan. Nothing to prove na. Done deal na yan.
Done.
I mean, another chapter in my life.
Alright, going back to the macho issue that you
Yeah.
just mentioned, I remember yung macho issue na yun, there was a time that all of you guys were in one package.
Matagal na yun. 1989 pa yun.
In one,
Baka hindi pa pinakanak kong dalawa.
Hindi ba pinanganak yung dalawa? You know, you were all in one movie.
Oh,
They were
Eagle
all
Squad yun.
Oh my God. And then it was Eagle Squad.
Bago pa kami nila Robin,
Oh my
nila
God.
Edu, nila Jinggoy.
Lahat ng gwapo nandun.
Ang tagal na nun. 1980. Second movie ko pa lang yun.
And then, sabi nga nila, it should be remade into... Yung
That
mga-
was the original Expendables.
Yes, that
Hindi
was
pa.
the original
Oh.
Expendables.
Oh, they should make a remake. A
Yeah,
new
yeah.
Eagle Squad. Same guys.
Same guys, pero
Ewan ko
meron...
lang kung, sa bagay, si Ricky buhay pa, si Edo buhay pa, Jinggoy buhay pa, si Robin buhay, si ER buhay, ako buhay.
Oo.
Si Julio Diaz, hindi ko alam kung saan. Kasama siya doon.
Julio is sick.
Okay, yun, hindi ko na nakita.
Tinutulungan siya ni ano, tinutulungan
Si
siya
Shaq
ni...
Perez, hindi ko na nakita. Nasa Amerika na yan. So yung
Yes.
dalawa, wala.
Oo.
6 kami.
Oo.
Remake. Gawa tayo.
Yeah,
Patay
yeah.
na yung dalawa. O iba
Okay.
naman.
Who?
Hindi naman patay, pero wala. Si Julio sabi mo may sakit, so hindi
Oo.
na maka-action siguro yun.
Oo.
Si Chuck Perez nasa Amerika na.
Okay, yeah,
O
yeah.
yun. So, pero kaming anim, andyan pa.
Oo.
Oh.
It was actually suggested by someone and yun, it's a good idea
Yeah.
na
If there's a producer who's willing to bankroll the movie, why not? I'm
bankroll
willing.
the movie.
Yeah, I'm willing to work on that.
So Mon, you were this is ang playdate nito is May 28.
Yeah.
Premiere night is
I think it's 25th,
okay.
25th,
The
or
press
26th.
conference.
I know that the showing of it nationwide is 28. That's what it's been. That's what's told to me.
Yeah,
The
yeah,
press
yeah.
con is on the 2019 yata, 19 or 18.
Okay. So, alright, we're done with the interview with Mansour Del Rosario. His new movie, he is currently supporting Joe M. Bascon. Okay, it's called Bagong Dugo.
Ang bagong dugo,
Ang Bagong Dugo.
The New Blood,
The New Blood.
Mm.
Okay, The New Blood.
directed by Val Iglesias.
It's directed by Val Iglesias, and also they have Roy Binson here. They have
Alvin Anson,
Alvin Ison.
Anson,
Anson.
patitibot sa Anson do. Si Levi,
Si Sir Levy
Ignacio,
Ignacio,
Dick Israel,
Dick Israel, and the son of Sir Levy Ignacio, si Ian Ignacio, who's
Alma Concepcion.
and Alma Concepcion. Siya ang lead.
Siya yung mother ni Joem doon.
Ang mother na siya. She's the
Efren
mother
Reyes
of
Jr.,
the father.
Mark Hill,
Okay.
hindi ko malali, Boy Roque.
Si Boy Rocky buhay pa. Anyway, okay, so yun, no? Yun po yung ating line-up doon. It will be coming out in movie theaters in May 28. On May 28. Tapos po, ang kanyang premiere ay 25. Ang press con po ay pwedeng
19 or 18.
May 18 or 19 po. So, abangan po ninyo. This will come out at allvoices.com. I'll be doing another story of this Manila Times, okay, next week.
Masdan mo ang kandilang ito. Ang apoy nito'y luma at kupas na. Matingkad na ilaw